Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. This two indicator can change your trading life. First, watch the complete video, and even a very beginner can use this strategy easily and make profit daily. Here you can see there's a clouds. Clouds are blue. That means you need to follow buy signal. Buy signal, and when the candle touch to the upper band line, close your trade. Here you can see another buy trade. When candle touch to the upper band line, you need to close your trade. Let me show you results in BTC. In the BTC, this was the most recent trade, and you can see you got the profit. Do not need to follow sell signal when the clouds are blue one. Okay, clouds are red one, you need to follow sell signal. Here you can see the RSI can help you a lot. Okay, when the RSI is below from the lower band line and the RSI is upside from the upper band line, that's our oversold and overbought condition, and that will help you a lot. Okay, these are the confirmed signal. When the RSI is upside from the upper band line, you got the signal. This is a perfectly signal. Here you can see another example. Let me show you results more. Follow the trend and follow the signal. Blue trend, that means buy trend, you need to follow buy signal. And when the trend is on the red side, let me show you, you need to follow sell signal and go on consistent profits higher. You can see another example. Blue trend, that means buy trend, and you need to follow buy signal. Okay, these are the confirmed signal. When the RSI is below from the lower band line, you got the buy signal. That are confirmed signal, or you can say around 90% to 100% accuracy if you will use these two indicators. Okay, first you have need to I will give you the file, and you have need to add the indicator. How I will give you the file, you have need to copy the code. Okay, copy the code, then go to the Pine editor, remove all the code first, paste my code, and then click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, you need to do some setting is very simple. Just go to the setting of the indicator, uncheck the table, uncheck in 3 influence signal RSI 75, and go slowly down and uncheck the swing mode. That's okay. Now your indicator is steady and you can enjoy the profit. If you need my MT4 system for the binary option trading, okay, you can see the alerts are available, and accuracy is 96% of this binary option. Okay, this is only for the binary option trading, but this trading view indicator you can use in all time frame, in all market. Either you are trading in forex, crypto, indices, stock, whatever, this indicator work on all time frame, on all market and all pairs. Okay, if you need my indicators of trading view, okay, this system giving you accuracy 96%. Let's see the results in some other pairs. 81%, okay, in the euro USD, 84% in the JPB, 90% accuracy in GPB USD, accuracy is around 86%. That is awesome accuracy. Okay, when you got the signal, you have to open your buy trade, and when here you can see that is a loss trade. Okay, and consistent profitable trades are 13. Maximum loss in the consistent one loss only. Okay, that is a profitable system, and enjoy the profit. If you need my indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details. Okay, here these are my contact details. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. There are some fake Telegram channels, so you need to be aware. Do not join any fake Telegram channel. Gmail, simpleogai@gmail.com. If you need to contact me on my Gmail. Any further query, any question, you can ask me. And for the next video, bye bye. Take care.